For anybody who's seeking United States citizenship, it's important that they and their attorney be aware of this policy memorandum that just came out a couple weeks ago. On August 15th, 2025, USCIS issued this to make clear that good moral character, which has always been required in order to get U.S. citizenship, is now going to be something that the petitioner has to present affirmative evidence of. So it's not just going to be the absence of wrongdoing, as they put it. You're going to have to come forward with evidence that shows you have good moral character. The burden's going to be on you to present documentary evidence that the officer can review to conclude you've got good moral character. So up until now, we were usually able to get people citizenship just by establishing that they hadn't been arrested for anything, at least not lately, or if they had, that they had been fully rehabilitated, and that they'd paid their federal income taxes on time and in full. No longer the case. According to this, they are going to make you show it, and not just show that you haven't been arrested and that you have paid your taxes, but other examples of your good moral character. The memorandum gives the history of what good moral character has been interpreted and applied as, but I want to call your attention to this section down here. These bullet points I think will help you and or your attorney out. It's not an exhaustive list, but these are some of the domains of evidence that you should be looking at. Sustained community involvement and contributions in the United States. Have you been volunteering for good organizations? Have you been participating in your church or other religious group? Have you been tutoring kids? Have you been giving things to food pantries? That kind of stuff. You want to find evidence of that and present it. Family caregiving responsibility and ties in the United States. Are you taking care of your elders or people with disabilities, including even your kids? Educational attainment. That's pretty self-explanatory. Stable and lawful employment history achievements. Keep in mind, that's only lawful employment. Length of lawful residence in the United States. Same story, only lawful residence. So if you were here out of status for a long time before you got your green card, you can't count that time, just the time after you got your green card, until now when you're filing your petition. Your compliance with tax obligations, of course. You're going to want to not just answer yes that you've done that, but now you're going to want to get your tax transcripts. And I'm recommending, even though this isn't legal advice, that if you already filed your N-400 and your interview is coming up, you want to have this evidence ready to bring to that interview. Good luck.